Have you ever imagined that something most people consider little more than animal waste can be transformed into luxury products sold by premium fashion brands around the world? Every year, thousands of Nili Ravi buffalo horns begin an incredible journey that takes them from livestock farms to highly advanced factories, where they are turned into elegant combs, stylish buttons, and handcrafted accessories worth many times their original value. Today, we're taking you inside one of the world's most fascinating buffalo horn factories to reveal every remarkable step of this transformation. The journey begins long before the horns reach the factory. Nili Ravi buffaloes, famous for their strength and high-quality dairy production, are raised across fertile regions of Pakistan. Their horns are never harvested from living animals. Instead, they are collected only as a byproduct after legal meat processing, ensuring that no animal is harmed specifically for its horns. This responsible sourcing allows manufacturers to utilize a natural material that would otherwise go to waste. After collection, each horn is cleaned and sorted before being transported to the processing facility. Workers carefully separate them according to size, thickness, curvature, color, and overall condition because every horn has unique characteristics. Larger horns are reserved for luxury combs and premium accessories, while smaller pieces are used for buttons, jewelry, and decorative products. As trucks arrive at the factory, bundles of raw buffalo horns are unloaded and transferred into the receiving department. Although they appear solid and durable, the horns still contain dirt, dried tissue, natural oils, and surface impurities collected during transportation. Before production can begin, every batch undergoes a detailed inspection. Quality control specialists examine each horn under bright industrial lighting, rejecting cracked, damaged, or excessively weathered pieces. Only the highest quality horns continue into production. The approved horns then enter the cleaning department, where powerful industrial washing systems remove dirt, grease, and remaining organic residue. High-pressure water jets combined with biodegradable cleaning solutions thoroughly clean every surface without damaging the horn's natural structure. After washing, the horns pass through drying chambers where carefully controlled airflow removes moisture while preventing cracks or warping. Once completely dry, the horns move into the cutting section. Here, experienced operators and computer-controlled bandsaws remove the horn tips and bases before cutting each horn into workable sections. Every cut is planned carefully to maximize material usage and reduce waste. Even the smallest offcuts are collected for smaller luxury products, ensuring that nearly every part of the horn is utilized. The next stage is one of the most fascinating in the factory. Unlike plastic, buffalo horn is naturally curved and irregular, making it impossible to manufacture directly. To reshape it, the horn sections are heated inside temperature-controlled softening ovens. Under carefully monitored heat, the horn becomes flexible without losing its strength or beautiful natural grain. While still warm, each softened horn is transferred into hydraulic flattening presses. Massive steel plates slowly compress the material into perfectly flat sheets of uniform thickness. As the pressure increases, the horn gradually transforms from a curved natural structure into a smooth panel ready for precision manufacturing. After cooling, the flattened sheets become rigid again while preserving their natural beauty and durability. Now begins the precision manufacturing stage. Computer-controlled CNC machines receive digital production designs and cut hundreds of different components from each horn sheet with incredible accuracy. Luxury combs, branded buttons, jewelry pieces, eyewear components, knife components, knife handles, and fashion accessories all begin to take shape. Every movement is controlled with millimeter precision to ensure consistent quality while minimizing waste. Freshly cut components then move to automated grinding and shaping machines. Diamond-coated tools smooth rough edges, refine every curve, and create perfectly symmetrical shapes. For premium combs, each individual tooth is carefully machined to ensure smooth performance without damaging hair. Buttons receive perfectly centered holes and polished edges, while decorative products are shaped according to customer specifications. Although modern machinery performs most of the work, skilled craftsmen remain essential. Experienced technicians carefully inspect every component by hand, checking dimensions, flexibility, surface quality, and natural grain patterns. Their trained eyes often detect subtle imperfections that even advanced machines can miss. At the same time, AI-powered vision systems perform a second independent inspection. High-resolution cameras scan every product for scratches, cracks, uneven thickness, color variation, and surface defects. If even the smallest flaw is detected, the defective piece is automatically removed while production continues without interruption. This combination of human craftsmanship and intelligent automation ensures world-class quality. The approved products then enter the polishing department, where they receive their signature luxury appearance. Multiple polishing wheels, fine abrasives, and natural buffing compounds gradually transform the dull horn surface into a deep, glossy finish that highlights the unique natural patterns found in every piece. No two products are ever exactly alike, making each one naturally exclusive. Some products receive additional engraving, laser marking, or custom branding for luxury fashion companies. Others are carefully matched by color and grain before being assembled into premium collections destined for international markets. Before packaging, every finished product is cleaned using filtered compressed air to remove microscopic dust particles. Robotic packaging systems then place each item into protective moisture-resistant packaging designed to preserve quality during global transportation. Automated barcode scanners verify every package while robotic palletizing systems organize completed orders onto export pallets. Autonomous forklifts transport the finished pallets into climate-controlled warehouses, where the products await shipment to luxury fashion houses, premium clothing manufacturers, furniture companies, and industrial customers across Europe, North America, the Middle East, and Asia. Standing inside this factory, it's almost impossible to believe that these elegant luxury products once existed as raw buffalo horns. Through responsible sourcing, advanced engineering, precision manufacturing, skilled craftsmanship, intelligent automation, and rigorous quality control, a natural byproduct has been transformed into beautiful, high-value products admired around the world. The next time you fasten a premium horn button, use a handcrafted buffalo horn comb, or admire a luxury fashion accessory, remember that its remarkable journey began not in a designer showroom, but with the magnificent Nili Ravi buffalo and the extraordinary manufacturing process that transformed nature into timeless craftsmanship. Thanks for watching Ultra Factory TV. If you enjoy discovering how the world's most fascinating products are made, be sure to subscribe for more factory documentaries that take you behind the scenes of modern manufacturing. We'll see you in the next factory adventure.